Kashari Special Judge Pokso ke East Khasi Hills kong Rembai hak arpu artrik nailar arja arpsan. Kelarai pynrem dak basat phatok si jingim ya urunar ubadan keti. Hak balik beijot ya ke khynnah hak jingjia ke balajia haus nam arja arpwe. Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills Shillong lingba ukurwa upentip ba uni urunar ubala syakrai pynrem ubala tip kerteng Living Star Binan udai ubala syak kem haus nam arjar arpwe. Kat kum ke kendon an lai spa arpulai san spa anrio lai spa anyo punrio AB lai spa anyo punyo IPC bat kendon henrio jongka pokso act ka yeng Kashari kelarai pynrem ya uni urunar dak baset phatok si jingim hapo ke kendon henrio jongka pokso act haringkat ke kuna ke bashipa wajar tingka bat ba un hap ban syong phatok sa henrio benai lada umla ban siu ya kan ke kuna. Lapan ngat ru haka kendon lai spa anyo punrio AB IPC klam dadan dak weipat karai pynrem hapo ke kendon lai spa anyo punyo IPC bansat phatok si jingim lembat ke kuna shipa wajar tingka bat bansyong phatok san rio benai lada umla bansiu. Hapo ke kendon san spa anrio IPC bansat phatok san snem ringkat ke kuna san ajar tingka bat bansyong phatok salai benai lada siu ya ke kuna. Hapo ke kendon lai spa arpulai IPC bansat phatok henrio benai ringkat ke kuna shi hajar tingka bat bansyong phatok saar benai lada siu ya ke kuna. Ya kanika kes la tokit dak woman police SI Shidarisha Kharsati ke badan menta hapo Lumdengeri PS East Khasi Hills Shillong.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.